Hi, my name is Mike Crosby. I'm the Chief Operating Officer and Director of Sales for CMS North America. The DNA of CMS is pretty simple. When I started with CMS, I met Mr. Chetty 30 years ago, and he made it very clear that the machines were not what we were doing. We were solving problems for the customer. So the DNA is taking care of the customer, understanding his needs, and the machine is simply a tool to get to that, to his end result, and to what the customer needed to do.
Good afternoon, my name is Patrick Bowler. I'm the founder of DMS. In turn, one of the proudest things I am about this company is our repeat customer base. We try not just to be a machine builder. I never wanted these machines to turn into a commodity. I wanted them to be part of a solution. So we try to sell solution-based machines.
The partnership of CMS and DMS has been something that's been in the works for a while, at least for the sales department. It's really unique, and it brings a lot of opportunities, not just to CMS and DMS, but to the customers. What we're able to offer them now between the machines, the capabilities, the ingenuity, everything that's been done from the start of DMS with Patrick, and combining that with CMS's technology. Again, construction of machines that are special, solving problems for the customer. We're able to offer the customer everything from A to Z.